Shiba Inu Shibarium burns. Here is what we know, guys, at the present time. We're going to dive into some of the specifics. I highlighted this briefly in a morning video when I was out walking on the beach a little bit, but now I'm back in the office. Wanted to bring you up to speed on what's going on. So Shiba Inu Shibarium burning 70% of the base fee, leaving the community feeling very good. So the long-awaited documentation detailing the overview of the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol and its operations has been made public. According to documents, Shibarium will be 10,000 times cheaper than Ethereum. Shibarium transaction fees separated into base and priority fees, two different fee structures here. Now, the base fee is a crucial component of transaction fees on the blockchain. When a user makes a transaction on the network, the base fee is locked into a contract, which will be on Shibarium, while the priority fee is then paid to the validator. Now, the part that is exciting the SHIB community and all of us today is that the base fee will be split into 70% that will be burned. And then the 30% remaining is set aside to maintain the network, okay? That other 30%. Now, during the process, accumulated bone is sent to Ethereum's L1, where an automated swap for SHIB then occurs. This amount then is burned by invoking its contract function. Users are going to be able to use a specific portal on Shibarium's website for this process. This is coming straight from the document. So SHIB developer Call said the new chain ID, which has been deployed, would be deployed rather for Shibarium beta after similarities between its chain ID and the Renia sparked speculation. So that is basically squashing some of that FUD as well. Shytoshi, of course, squashed it as well on Discord on the Shibarium related discussion. Shiba Eternity, Shiba Inu's card game, launched in October, has gotten a new update as well. The new version 1.1.7 onboard memory optimizations, rampage sequencing and performance optimizations are aimed at improving the user experience. So that is what we have right now. The big news is the burns. And we're going to be diving into these documents throughout next week as well, talking about some of the specifics and what it means for the future of Shiba Inu. And finally, things are coming to fruition. We're getting some great details and insight. Very bullish on the long-term outlook and future of crypto. Also, SHIB. Appreciate you guys. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll be back with more. See ya.